The moment that happened, so I had my coffee in the morning, and then with my friend, and then suddenly the land just moving.
And then suddenly the mountain shakes. It shook really hard, so my guide got me, to hold onto the ground, and that lasts. The earthquake lasts for about 10-20 seconds, and after that, everyone was rushing down. There was a couple of tourists who got trapped in the crack. Everyone was helpful. My guide was, with me all the way through. I felt safe, just being cared for by the guide.
Iya masih bersih, Wak.